Hello, Namaste, Annyonghaseyo Kpop fans. Welcome to our channel UNNie. Today's video is about ADOR Global Audition for boy group and girl group. In this video, I'll tell you what is ADOR Entertainment Company, ADOR Entertainment current artist, audition qualifications, audition category, audition period, required attachment files, awards and benefits, audition procedure, how to apply in the audition with me and know what you need to write in the application, results announcement and some FAQs. But before that, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to know more about the upcoming K-pop audition informations and tips. You can also follow me on Instagram for my upcoming videos update and some more information that I am unable to share on YouTube. The ID link is in description box. Now let's start our video. ADOR Entertainment Company and its artist. ADOR is a short form of All Doors One Room. ADOR Entertainment is Hybe's new independent label founded in 2021, led by Chief Brand Officer Min Hee-jin, who was formerly a creative director and board member at SM Entertainment before joining Hybe in 2019. ADOR Company will be run independently from Hybe with its own unique philosophy and style, and it will also be attempting new business ventures that have not yet been tackled by its parent company Hybe. The CEO of ADOR, Min Hee-jin, worked in SM Entertainment Company for 17 years, and she left the company because she was extremely exhausted from the workload in SM Company. In November 2021, it was also announced that ADOR is currently preparing to debut a girl group in 2022, primarily consisting of members selected from the Plus Global Audition in 2019. Let me tell you, Plus Global Audition was a girl group project between Big Hit and Source Music Company. So right now there is no artist under ADOR labels and they are looking for boy and girl trainees who will debut under their label and will shine globally with their talent. Now let's know the details of this audition. Audition qualifications. Any boy or girl from any country born in or between 2002 to 2010 can apply in this audition. Audition category. Choose any one category from singing, rapping, dancing or any other talent that you have. For example, acting, modeling, instrument playing, vlog, etc. Audition period from 1st December 2021 till 10th January 2022, 11:59 p.m. KST. So this audition has already been started and its last date is 10th January, and please apply before 11:59 p.m. KST. And don't forget to change this Korean Standard Time in your own country's time zone. Like Indians need to change KST into IST. That means according to Indian Standard Times, Indians need to apply before 10th January 8:29 p.m. IST. You can easily change your country's time zone by using Google. Required attachment files. For singing or rapping category, self-introduction video plus video of singing or rapping without background music and show your front half upper body in the video plus 2 photographs of your front face and entire body. For dancing, self-introduction video plus video of dancing and show your full body clearly in the video plus 2 photographs of your front face and entire body. For free category option, looks, talents, acting, modeling, etc. Self-introduction video plus video of your category choice, visible from waist up, plus 2 photographs of your front face and entire body. Note points. Please submit both types of attachments, video or photographs when you apply for the audition. For your introduction video, please shoot from the waist up and ensure that your face can be clearly seen from the front. For your face or body photographs, please submit photographs taken without using photo editing software or filters. Application of each category must include a video of minimum 1 minute length. Videos out of focus or with poor sound quality may be excluded from review. Awards and benefits. Final round winners will get chance to be a trainee in ADOR Entertainment Company. Audition procedure. First round will be online round, in second round there will be Zoom 1-1 round, and in third round final audition and meeting in Korea. Please watch these two videos to know how company will contact you for second round, what will happen in Zoom 1-1 audition, and what you need to prepare for your Zoom 1-1 audition. These videos links are in description box. How to apply. Open the audition application form link in description box, fill out the Google form, attach required files and submit your form. Now let's see the application process. First, open this form through the link in description box, scroll down, tap on yes and then tap on next button. Here choose the option according to your age. I will choose this one option. Tap on next. Scroll down, tap on yes and next button, scroll down, choose your audition category means your talent. Here choose your date of birth. Write your full name. Choose your gender, write your nationality, write your height, write the country, state and city or town name where you are currently living. Write your contact number with country code, write your email address. Here write which one social media ID you are providing and then write your ID name. If you don't have any social media ID, then write N/A. Here write any messenger ID. I will write my KakaoTalk ID and you can write your WhatsApp ID too. Now tap on next button. Here attach your two required pictures. Just like this, attach your another picture. Here attach your self-introduction video and here attach your dance video just like we attached our pictures. In this URL column, you can attach your Google Drive or YouTube video link, but make sure to change its settings and make your video public or unlisted so that company can see your video. Now tap on yes and next button. Submit this form and yes, you have successfully applied for this audition. All the best. Please remember that after submitting this form, you will not get any confirmation email like you have successfully submitted your form and all. So please don't hope for that type of email. Results announcement. First round passers will be contacted individually within 1 to 2 months after 10th of January. Now let's see some FAQs for this audition. Can I make changes to my application? You cannot change your application once it's submitted. Can I submit an application without photographs or video? Applications without attached photographs or video may be excluded from review. Please make sure you submit the photographs and video. Is there a maximum length allowed for the video? For all categories, please make a video that is 1 verse or 1 minute long and make sure the video resolution is acceptable before submitting. With the exception of dance, please make sure that your face can be seen absolutely clearly from the front. I have never learned dancing or singing. Can I still apply for the audition? Yes, anyone can apply. I applied for the audition and how will I find out about the results? Applicants who pass review will be contacted individually. No additional notification will be sent to applicants who don't pass. Can I check if the casting staff checked my application? No, you are unable to check. However, all submitted materials are checked and reviewed carefully. Can I apply multiple times? Multiple applications are not allowed to ensure a smooth review process. Can foreigners apply? I can't speak Korean, but can I still apply? Everyone, regardless of nationality, religion, etc., may apply, and Korean ability is not required. Would I need to visit Korea if I pass the audition? We will be contacting individual applicants who pass regarding specific schedules. Can I send in my application by email? Mail-in applications are not yet available with the risk posed by COVID-19. We ask you to participate through the current online audition process. Today's comment winner is Carol. Thank you so much, Carol, for your trust and support. Please keep supporting and loving our channel. Lots of love to you and for all my viewers. In my next video, I will announce the next comment winner from this video. So please don't forget to comment and show your love. That's all for today's video. I hope this video helped you a lot. If yes, then please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and support to our channel. I will meet you in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care, love yourself and be happy.